Pond water's looking crystal clear, which is absolutely great to see. Still nitrates in the pond, as you can see. The algae is coming out of the waterfall, so I'll have to clear that up today. I'm going to have to take some of the old lily leaves out. That's another task. And finally, I'll crack on with the tea house and finish off the beading on the outside panels. Right, today I'm going to finish off the beading, as I just said. It's a lovely day, so let's get cracking with it. Before we do that, just look at that water though. You can even see the shadow on the bottom of the pond. Absolutely bob on. I've just put some Virkon Aquatic in the pond. 4,000 gallon pond, so I put 4 tablets in. I don't do it every week, I put it in every couple of weeks. Just to help keep back that bad bacteria. I know it affects all the bacteria, but I'd say about 2 or 3 months ago, a couple of the fish developed some sores, and I'm just trying to help them on the mending way. I mean, they're not too bad now, to be honest. Let's touch of red there, and they're getting really better. So again, that's another bob on. Let's have a look around the garden. And as you can see, all the leaves are falling now. It's late August, 29th of August, but the recent wind has blown loads of leaves down. And with the leaves, conkers. Loads of them. Just look at the size of them. Huge. Probably with all the sun and the rain that we've had. And they're everywhere. They're coming down in their hundreds. They're everywhere. I have this every year, and it's a bit of a pain, to be quite frank. There's still hundreds more to come down. It's a large conker tree, as you can see, covered in ivy. I've got to cut that away. That's another task, probably this autumn. But just look, leaves, conkers and all sorts. So it's a big clean-up day, and certainly tomorrow morning as well. So it's going to be a nice weekend, bank holiday weekend, doing the garden. How about that? So let's go for a walk down to the tea house and get cracking with it. Right, let's set the thing up. I need to get the workbench outside, and I'll get the little strips of wood just for the beading. So let's hope you can see this a bit better, what I'm doing. So once again, I'm just going to mitre the end. I'll just take this little bit of a label off first. Sticky paper, gets everywhere. Okay. Okie doke. press it against the frame, mark it at the bottom. There we go. Quite flexible so it doesn't snap. And then I'm going to cut again with the mitre at the correct angle, 45 degrees. And Bob's your uncle. There's a side strip. Easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let's place it. There you go. Spot on. Now, there we go. I've only got short legs, so I might have to get the ladder there. But I'll take another strip. Already got the mitre to one side. There we are, I can reach just. I'm on my tiptoes. There we are. My mother always used to say I needed some horse muck in my shoes as compost to make me grow that a little bit more. But clearly it didn't work. But anyway, there we are. Let's try that. Absolutely bob on. So, it's going to mark each section so I know where it goes. That's top left. The top. Top right. And the bottom. Oh. There you go. Okay, always mark them if you've got more than one section, otherwise they'll all get mixed up. So I've just moved them in there before I paint them. Now I'm going to do the bottom section, the bottom panel. And exactly the same process. So this is for the bottom section. Let's have a quick look at paint. Okay. I'll just put one coat on, and I'll tip them. So there we have it then. So all the beading and trim is fitted around the external panels. I've cleaned the window at last. It's been like that for about 3 weeks dirty, simply because I wanted the putty to dry. I'm going to give it one more week, then I'll paint on the outside of the putty. But let's have a look around it now. So as you can see, that trim has definitely tidied the panels up. Okay. So you can see there, you can still see the white of the putty. So another week I'll paint the edges of that next week. But that trim has definitely tidied everything up. So I'm really pleased with that.